Dear students, please note down uh, one more problem. This is examination point of view. It's a very, very important question in assignment problem. I mean, of a traveling salesman problem. The problem is given like this. The problem is given like this. Solve the following salesman problem. The following salesman problem given by the following data. Given by the following data. C12 equal to 20, comma, C13 equal to 4, comma, C of 14 equal to 10, comma, C23 equal to 5, comma, C34 equal to 5, comma, C 34 equal to 6, sir. 6 and C 25 equal to 10, comma, C 35, C of 35 equal to 6, C of 45 equal to 20, where Cij, Cji, and there is no root, and there is no root between cities I and J, if a value of Cij is not known. So this is the question. Examination point of view is very, very important. That's all. So there is no element, there is no rows and columns are given. And come to this point is a problem. Okay. So how to, design the problem. See, first take this problem. I mean to say that this. And this. So here is a up to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See this one. 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means it is infinity. Infinity C1 to 2. See, listen. C1 to. First row, second column. First row, second column. First row, second column. 20. Right here. Next, first row, third column. 4. First row, fourth column. 10. Next, second row, third column. Second row, third column. 5. Next, third row, fourth column. Third row, fourth column. Third row, fourth column. 6. Next, second row, fifth column. Second row, fifth column. 10. Next, third row, fifth column. Third row, fifth column. 6. Next, fourth row, fifth column. 20. That's all. Now the problem is given like this. So what is where is the other elements? But the question is given Cij equal to Cji. It means that C of 1 to 2, it is reverse. C of 2, 1 is also equal to 20. This is the main point. It means that, check it here, 1 to 2 equal to 20. 2, 1. C of 2, 1 means RC. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. It is 20. Next, 3 1. C of 3 1. C of 3 1 equal to, I mean to say that 4. I mean RC, third row, first column. Third row, first column. 4. Next, RC, fourth row, first column. Fourth row, first column. 10. Next, third row, second column. Third row, second column. 5. Next, fourth row, third column. Fourth row, third column. 6. And the next, fifth row, second column. Fifth row, second column. 10. And the next, fifth row, third column. Fifth row, third column. 6. Fifth row, fourth column. 20. That's all. The remaining elements, I mean to say that write down dash, dash, this is a dash, dash, put the dash here, dash, 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 and dash. That's all. See, other problem is given like this only. Next, infinity. Infinity, introduce the infinity. So how to, everything is there, you know already. So infinity means first take the problem. It means that like this only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the place of dash, I have to introduce infinity, 20, 4, 10, infinity. Like this, 20, infinity, 5, infinity, 10, 4, 5, infinity, 6, 6, fourth row, 10, infinity, 6, infinity, okay, infinity, 20. Is that 20? Okay, next, infinity, 10, 6, 20, infinity. So this is the question. Understand? So next after that, row operation, next column operation, same thing. So better to take this as a homework and please solve this problem. And suppose if you want to, I mean to say that if you solve this problem, please refer the previous problem and apply that conditions here, you will get the answer. But examination point of view, this question is very, very important. So, dear students, as per your syllabus, please, starting from the Unit 1, Unit 1 is a linear programming problem. Please refer my notes. Everything is already covered, whether it is minimization, maximization, degeneracy, LPP, unbounded solutions, and infeasible solution. And the next unit is a duality. Third unit is divided into two main categories. One is a transportation, another one is a assignment problem. In the transportation problem, finding initial basic feasible solution, NWC, Northwest Corner method, least cost method, Vogel's approximation method, optimal solutions, and special cases transportation, unbalanced transportation problem. That problem is covered. And the next point is assignment problem. Assignment problem, Hungarian method. In a Hungarian method means minimization only. So first of all, calculate the number of rows and number of columns. Both are same, then you have to apply the Hungarian method. So Hungarian method means of minimization. So once that part is completed, next go to balanced problem. Sometimes if unbalanced is given, convert into balanced problem, apply the minimization procedure. That is a case 2. Case 3, maximization. If the maximization problems are given, first of all, convert into maximization to minimization. Once the problem is enter into the minimization, so automatically it is apply the Hungarian method. Over. Next, traveling salesman problem. So as per university, up to third units are over. Now I am going to enter into the fourth unit. Fourth unit means that is called as a replacement analysis. So unit 5, unit 4. So unit 4. replacement models. Models. Replacement theory or replacement model. Now, come to this point. First, the definition, what is the meaning of the replacement? So, for example, if you want to purchase anything, for example, take a fan or bulb and etc., warranty and guarantee. There is a more difference between the warranty and the guarantee. For example, if you purchase a fan, now the cost of the fan is supposed to say that 2000 rupees. Immediately ask one question to the shop owner, sir, I want some guarantee. Then I leave the guarantee card. Just if a small book is available in that small fan boxes, if you go through that one, you will get some points. Some points means, for example, if you run the fan per day 8 hours only, then the life of the component, that fan, nearly 5 years. Suppose more than 8 hours per day, so what happened? Automatically more heat is generated inside of the component. Also automatically some electrical components are burned. Automatically the life is a decreases. So once the life is a decrease, automatically you have to replace that item. So when you are going to replace that item, whether it is a 2 years or 3 years and 4 years, depend upon your usaging factor. So that type of points are coming in one part. That part is called as a replace model or replacement analysis. Now the definition of the replacement analysis is that the theory of replacement is a concern with with situations situations that arise when some items such as machines, man, electric light bulb, electric light bulbs, or any other equipment, other equipments other equipments need replacement data, need replacement due to the decreasing efficiency, failure, or breakdown. So this is the definition of replacement analysis. So the theory of replacement is concerned with the situation means of points that arise when some items such as machines, men, electric bulbs, or any other equipment need replacement due to their decreasing efficiency. It means of working hours are decreased, automatically I will remove the otherwise I'll remove the electric goods or replace the new items. So decreasing efficiency, failure, or breakdown. So next, following are the situations when the replacement of certain items items need to be done, need to be done. Number one, the old item has failed and does not work and does not work at all, at all. Second point, the the old item is expected to fail shortly, to fail shortly. Third point, a better design of a better design of equipment has been developed due to improvement in technology. Improvement in technology. Technology. So this is the main definitions and following situations of the, I mean to say that this one. So next point is the next theory in some exam assumptions of the replacement theory. Assumptions of replacement theory. Replacement theory. Number one, the quantity of the quantity of the output remains constant. Output remains constant. Second one, replacement of maintenance. Replacement of maintenance. Maintenance cost remains constant. Next, third point, the operational efficiency, operational efficiency of the equipment remains constant. So this is important notes in particularly in this one. Okay, now so I'm going to solve one important problem of the this one. So please note down the problem. So problem. The maintenance cost of the maintenance cost and resale value per year of a machine of a machine whose purchase price whose purchase price is rupees 700, is rupees 7,000, sorry, is rupees 7,000, is given below, is given below. So the question is given like this: year, year, and operating cost, operating cost, and the next one, resale value, resale value. So the year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And operating cost 900, 1200, 900, 1200, 1600, 1600, 2100, 2800, 3700, 4700, 5900. And the next one is resale value: 4,000, 4,000, 2,000, 1,200, 600, 500, 400, 400, 400. So when should the machine be replaced? Be replaced. So this is the question. The question is given. It means that the history of the one machine. Take that machine as a X. So the purchase cost is a 7,000. Now just I want to run that machine up to 8 years. First operating cost and the resale value. So operating cost 900 in the first. If I want to resell the machine, the resale value is a 4,000 only. But what is the purchase price of the machine? 7,000. Next go to the second year. Operating cost, maintenance cost, and etc. That's all. 1,200. If I want to resell that machine in the second year, 2,000 only. It means that number of years are increases, so automatically the cost of the material will decreases. So as a owner of the company, when should I take the decision for the machine should be replaced? That is the question of the, given question. So the question is, because it is a purely related to the accounts question, just like here. So first the solution. So take this tabular form. Just you have to write like this. First year. The next one, operating cost. The next one is cumulative operating cost. Cumulative, CUM, operating cost, resale value. The next one, depreciation. Okay, depreciation. The next one is total cost. The next one, the last one is average cost per annum. Average cost per annum, PA per annum. So this is a fixed and let this as a 1, suppose columns 2, 3, okay, 4, and 4, 5, 6, 7, seventh column, like this only. Now come to this one. So how to solve the problem? Okay, now take this, 8 years are given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years. Like this, because 90% of these problems are connected to the accounts problem, just like account systems. Like this. So first, operating cost. Operating cost is given in the question. Please note down 900. Write down here 900. The next one is a 1200. The next one is a 1600. Fourth one is a 2100. 2800. 3700. 4700. 5900. 5900. Cumulative. Cumulative means write down 900 as it is. 1200 plus 900. So 2100. 1600 plus 2100. So 3700. 3700 plus 2100. 5800. Just like write down here. Add these two, write down here. Like this. 8600. And this is 12,300. And the next 17,000, because 12,300 plus add this. So that is equal to 17,000. 17,000. 17,000 plus 5,900. So 22,900. 22,900. Please add these two, write down here. Add these two, write down here like this. Resale value. Resale value is given in the question. Please, resale value, third row value is 4,000. 4,000. And the next one is a 2,000. And the next one is a 1,200. So 600. 600. 500. 500. 400. 400. 400. The column values are given in the question. Depreciation. What is the meaning of the depreciation? Depreciation is nothing but C minus S, cost minus resale value. Depreciation equal to fifth value, C minus S. What is the C here? Resale value is nothing but, let this as a yes. Let this as a yes. Okay, so yes, what is the cost of the cost is equal to 7,000 is given in the question. 7,000 minus first value 4,000. 4,000. So equal to 3,000. So you have to write 3,000 here. Like this, 7,000 minus 2,000, 5,000. Because the cost of the material is a 5,000. 7,000 minus 1,200, 5,800. So this is 7,000 minus 600, 6,400. This is a 6,500. And 6,600, 6,600, 6,600. So the total cost, okay, total cost is equal to total cost is sixth column value. Sixth column value is equal to fifth column plus third column. What is the fifth column value? Say 3000 plus third column 900. 3900. Next, 5000 plus 2100. So 7100. 5000 5800 plus 3700. So this is a 9500, like this. 9500, 12200, 15100, and 18900, 23600, 29500. 29500. Now come to the average cost of this one, seventh column. Seventh column is equal to, always is equal to, sixth column divided by first column, number of year. 3900 divided by 1, 3900. 7100 divided by 2, so 3550. 9500 divided by 3, so that is 3166.67, like this. 3050. Use calculator, you will get this answer. So 3020, so 3015, and this is a 3371.14, 3687.50. See, the average cost per annum equal to seventh column value, sixth column values divided by first column. First column is nothing but year. Then you write down here. So out of 8 value, which is the minimum value? This is the minimum value. Please put star mark here. Star mark. It means that if we use that machine up to 8 years, the average cost per annum shows 3020 rupees only. Okay, it means that you have to remove or you have to replace that machine in every 5 years. Out of these minimum, these values, 8 values, select the minimum values. Select the minimum values when 3010. Put a star mark here. What are the corresponding value here? The corresponding value is 5, fifth year. So you have to write the statement. So what are the statement here? You have to replace every 15 in. So note. In the fifth year, the minimum average cost is 3020, shown by star. In the above table, so replacement, replacement should take place in the end of fifth year. In the end of fifth year. That's all. So please try to understand the question. Please read the question. The maintenance cost, if the history of the question is given, so before applying the tabular form, first check purchase cost is given or not. If the purchase cost is 7,000 rupees, it means, for example, if you purchase a machine 7,000 rupees, if I want to run that machine up to 8 years, so what happened? Automatic depreciation rate is there. Another is a maintenance cost is more. If the maintenance cost is more, immediately I have to replace. Otherwise, as a businessman, I don't want to maintain this type of machine in my industry. If I maintain like this, automatically what happened? The production rate is decreases. If the production rate is decreased, automatic profit is decreases. So as a business magnate, I don't want to give the preference to that type of machine. Okay. Now this tabular form is constant. This tabular forms is a constant. So what are the year? Operating cost, cumulative operating cost, replace, depreciation, total cost, average cost per annum. So year is given in the question up to 8. Operating cost is given 900, 1260. You write down here. Cumulative, CUM cumulative. Cumulative, what is the meaning of cumulative? Write down 900 as it is here. As it is, 900 as it is here, add down to write down here like this. A resale. Resale means resale is given first year in the question. Depreciation. Depreciation is equal to cost minus, depreciation is equal to cost minus resale value like this. Total cost, fifth minus plus 3. Average cost like this. So in the last column value, the value which shows the minimum number, you have to take the corresponding year. The corresponding year is a fifth. It means that you have to replace that machine in the every fifth year. Okay, so you have to write down the state. In the fifth year, the minimum average cost is 3020 shown by star in the above table. So replacement should take place in the end of fifth year. Yes, dear students, I'm going to solve one more problem. Please note down that problem. That problem is a problem. A firm is considering replacement of a machine, whose cost price is rupees 12,200, rupees 12,200, and the scrap value and SCRAP scrap value is only rupees 200. The maintenance cost are found from experience to be as follows. Year maintenance. Year up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maintenance is 200, 500, 800, 1,200, 1,800, 1,800, 2,500, 3,200, and 4,000. When should the machine be replaced? So this is the question. Now apply our tabular form. Here, a firm concerns replacement of a machine whose cost price is rupees 12,200. Scrap value is given 200 rupees only. The maintenance cost chart is given. So solution. So what are the solution? First tabular form. First one is a year, and the next operating cost. First one is a year or maintenance cost, whatever it is, because maintenance cost is given or operating cost, both are same. Maintenance cost, cumulative maintenance cost, cumulative maintenance cost, cumulative maintenance, resale value, or scrap, both are same. Next, depreciation. Next, total cost. Next, average cost per annum. Average cost per annum. Okay, so year up to age 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Enter the values in the tabular form. Values in the tabular form. Okay, so here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the maintenance cost 200, 500, 800, 1200, 1800, 2500, 3200, 4000. My cumulative means as it is. Let this as a columns 1, 2, 3, fourth column, fifth, sixth, and seventh column. Okay, cumulative means as it is 200. Add these two, write down here. 5 plus 200, 700. 7 plus 8, 1500. So 2700, 4500, 7000. Next 10,200. And next 14,200. 14,200. So the resale value or scrap, both are same. The scrap value is given. Scrap value is a 200, is a constant. So scrap value is a scrap is equal to 200 is given. Okay, so 200. So how much the scrap value or resale value is given in the question? Please read the question. 200 value. 200. This is the 200. Constant 200. Depreciation. What is the meaning of the depreciation? Depreciation is nothing but cost minus scrap value. Depreciation 50 is equal to C minus S. What is the cost here? 12,200. S means the first one, C. Fifth column value. How to calculate the fifth column value? C minus S. C cost is 12,200 minus 200. So that is a 12,000. 12,000. So this is a 12,000, 12,000 because the replace 12,000. 12,000. Okay, 12,000. Now total cost. Total cost is equal to 5 plus equal to fifth plus third column value. So what is the fifth? 12,000 plus 200. 12,200. So 12,000 plus 700. 12,700. 12,000 plus 1,500. So 13,500. 13,500. The next value is 14,700. 14,700. 16,500. 16,500. 19,000. 19,000. 22,200. The next is 26,200. So come to this for seventh. Average cost per annum. Seventh equal to sixth column divided by first column value. First column value is nothing but year. So 12,200 divided by 1. So 12,200. So 12,700 divided by 2. 6,350. 13,500 divided by 3. 4,500. Like this. So 3,675. And the next 16,500 divided by 5. 3,300. So the next one is 3,167. The next one is 3,171. Next one is 3,275. Okay. So the seventh column, how to find out the seventh column values means sixth column values divided by first column values. That gives average cost per annum. Okay. Now come to this point. So out of these values, which is the minimum value? Minimum value is 3167. We put a star mark. So what is the corresponding year? The corresponding year is a sixth. Corresponding year is a sixth. It means that you have to replace the machine in every sixth year. Okay. Note. This table shows. Write down the statement. This table shows that the value average cost per annum is minimum. Hence the machine should be replaced after every 6 years. After every sixth year. That's all. So statement is very important. Okay, dear students. So same question. Only the thing is in the previous question, a resale and a scrap definition is the same. Don't confuse it. So when should the machine should be replaced? Means every 6 years, because the rate will be decreases here. So that automatically have to stop that value. Of production on this year and replace the machine. And dear students, I'm going to solve one more problem. Please note down that problem. Wait car, problem, fit cars, cars have increased their cost as they continue in service due to due to increased direct operating cost direct operating cost direct operating cost and and increased increased maintenance maintenance. The initial cost of the initial cost is rupees 3,500 and the trade in value drops as time passes until it reaches a constant value of rupees 500 given cost of operating maintaining and the trade in value and trade in value determine the proper length determine the proper length of service the length of service before cars should be replaced. This is the question. So year of service year of service year end trade year end trade in value annual operating cost and annual maintenance cost. Maintenance cost. So the values are given like this. So 4 values. So here up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Year enter 1900, 1900, 1050, 600, 500, 500. The next one, annual operating cost 1500, 1800, 2100, 2400, 2700. Annual maintenance cost 300, 400, 600, 800, 1000. So the problem is given like this. Okay. So what is the difference between the previous question and this question? In previous question only maintenance cost here is given, but here is a another more data is given. So don't confuse it. What the thing is, first solution. So the tabular form here. Here the next one is operating cost. So operating cost, total operating cost, cumulative, same thing. Operating cost, cumulative resale value or scrap, whatever it is. Resale value or scrap. And next depreciation. And the next one total cost. And the next one is a average cost per annum. Okay. Year is given up to 5 years only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So operating cost. Operating here is because sometimes if the operating cost is given directly, no problem. Take that value and enter into the table. But here is the solution is operating cost equal to annual operating cost plus maintenance cost. Annual operating cost plus annual okay, annual maintenance cost. Annual maintenance cost. So come to the point. Operating cost. So 1500 plus 300, 1800. So 1800 plus 400, 2200. And 2100 plus 600, 2700. And 2400 plus 800, 3200. So 2700 plus 1000, 3700. Cumulative means write down 1800 as it is and add these two values, write down here. 2200 plus 1800, 4000. 4000 plus 6700. So this is the 9900. 9900 plus 13600. Okay, resale value or a scrap, whatever it is given in the question. So resale value or a trend, both are same. Here resale value, scrap or year-end trend values. This is called as this is also called as a resale value. So the resale value is the first year 1900. So 1050, this is the 600, 500, this is the 500. Depreciation means cost minus years. Okay, cost is given. Cost is equal to how much here? Cost is a uh, cost of the material is given. The initial cost is a 3500. 3500 minus scrap. See. Next, depreciation. Depreciation means C minus S. Cost is equal to how much here? 3500 minus 1900. So you will get 1600 like this. 1600 like this. Next one 2450. The next one 2900. The next one 3000. Okay. The next one total cost. For total cost, let this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6th and a 7th. Okay, 7th column. 6th column is equal to, how to calculate the 6th column? 5th column plus 3rd column. What is the 5th column? 1600. 3rd column 1800. 18 plus 1600, 3400. Like this, 2450 plus 4000, 6450. Like this. The next one 9600. The next one 12900. The next one is 16600. So come to the point, 7th column. 7th column is nothing but 6th column divided by 1st column value. 6th column 3400 divided by 1. 3400. 6450 divided by 2. 3225. Like this. 9600 divided by 3. 3000. Okay. 200. 3200. This is a 3225. This is a 3320. 3320. Come to this point. Okay. So out of these 5 value, which is the minimum value? 3220 is a minimum value. Understand? So put a star mark here. So what is the corresponding year? The corresponding year is a 3. That's all. Okay. Now I have to write down the statement. What is the statement? Note. This table shows that the value of average cost per annum during third year is minimum. Hence the car should be replaced after every third year. That's all. Only the thing is, don't confuse the problem. In sometimes the resale value is given or scrap value is given, no problem. In sometimes the definition of the resale or other name for the resale equal to year-end trend in value. It is nothing but a resale value or scrap value. So come to the operating cost. Operating cost is defined as in some areas, the sum of annual operating cost plus sum of annual maintenance cost. So if you know the difference between these two, the problem is very easy.